Darshana from Bake and Snack, and today I will be making cupcakes for my cousin whose birthday is tomorrow. Guys, now let me tell you the measurements. Measurements are 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon milk, half a cup melted butter, half cup sugar, 3 eggs, 1 cup flour, and vanilla essence. Okay, so now guys, let's take a bowl and put all the dry ingredients in there. Sorry, sugar, our baking powder, mix it. Add our wet ingredients. First we take our milk, we put the eggs, we're gonna add our vanilla essence. Now we're gonna put our butter. Mix it well. Now I'm gonna add some chocolate to make this cake a little chocolatey. Now let's put this chocolate batter into our cupcake tray. You can even use an ice cream scooper. I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's put this in the oven. Because nothing is sticking to it, that means it's ready. Now we can take it out and put it, and we can serve it. Bye! Let's meet next time!